Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a button in Gmail. So firstly, you have to log into your browser over here and you're going to search for Web Store Chrome, and here you can see the first option is the Web Store Chrome official website. Click on Web Store Chrome, and here as you can see there's a search button. Just search for Gmail button. Here you can see Gmail button by Cloud HQ. So just click on it, and here you can see an option called Add to Chrome. And after clicking it, you have to select on Add Extension. After that, your extension will be added to your Chrome account. As you can see, it's downloading and it's finished downloading. After that, it will take you to your Gmail account over here. And after that, you have to go to the Compose menu over here, and a pop-up will appear. It will take some time to actually load because you have added a new extension. So over here you can see how to use Google extension, and over here there is a new option added over here. As you can see here, this is the new option that says insert button. Click on insert button. Over here click on button, and as you can see here you can add a display text. You can rewrite it anything you want, and you will just paste your referral or URL link over here, and it will take your recipient to that email address, via that email address, to that website you have referred by this button. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys, but you have to make sure that you click on insert into mail after completing these steps before you send the email to your recipient. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.